Hello friends, today we will be making some really interesting cartoon comic book type art. So for this first one, we're going to be depicting a bunch of clothes being washed and hanging on a line. So follow the instructions carefully and you'll have yourself a really cute depictive laundry basket with clothes on the line. Doesn't that look amazing? Now let's move on to the next one. For this next one, we're going to be making a really cute caterpillar-like thing. So for that, you need circular colored paper, and then you can go ahead and add in any faces that you like. Now, doesn't that look amazing? Like your very own cute little Jungle Book. So for this next one, we're going to start again with some circular pieces of colorful paper. So with that, go ahead and add in some googly eyes and beaks. With that, you can go ahead and add in a long little neck and some hair at the end. Didn't that look adorable? So for this next one, we're going to be using papers with shades of blue and white. With that, you can go ahead and create your very own rocket in space. Doesn't that look amazing? Now go ahead and add in some planets too. Now for this next one, we're going to be using green and yellow paper to create a really cool fuzzy pineapple. With that, you can go ahead and add in pineapple's embellishments, and voila, you have yourself a very cute pineapple set of 3. Now let's move on to the next one. For this next one, we're going to be making use of cardboard. With the cardboard, you can go ahead and create some trapezoid shapes and use them and color them into whatever colors you like, into different colors. With that, you can go ahead and take pieces of clay, roll them around, and add them to the top of the trapezoid like icing on a cupcake. With that icing on a cupcake, you can be as creative as you want in different colors and same colors, little bits of icing, big bits of icing, however you like it. Now let's move on to the next one. With this next one, we're going to be using a lot of brown paper, so make sure that you have brown paper with you. With that, we're going to be depicting a growing carrot, so you can hide the carrots in those layers of brown paper. Isn't that so innovative and interactive? Comment down below if you enjoyed that. Now for this next one, we're going to be taking white paper, cutting it into strips, and rolling it around a stem. And doesn't that look like the perfect dandelion? Go ahead and create your base with clouds and the sun, and there you have it. Doesn't that look amazing? So now for this next one, we're going to be making a multi-layered 3-tier cake. With that, you can go ahead and use in some construction clay for frosting and add in some candles to depict the age. For this next one, we're going to be creating a really cute, colorful Christmas sock. With that, you can go ahead and take in some styrofoam to tuck in some leaves. Doesn't that look amazing? Voila, there you have it, your very own construction paper candy cane Christmas sock. You can go ahead and add in some Christmas goodies into that. Now, for this next one, you can go ahead and use some pieces of paper, tear them into different shapes and sizes, and add in some facial features to make them look super cute. Now, you can make them look like whatever you want. They can be happy, they can be sad, they can look like whatever. Thank you for watching!